Ever feel like life is one long, chaotic to-do list? The emails, bills, workouts, groceries, it never ends. But what if I told you most of that chaos could disappear? Yep, you can automate your life. Imagine waking up to an inbox that manages itself, bills that pay automatically, and groceries that show up without a second thought. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to automate your life for maximum efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set your daily tasks, finances, health, and even your home on autopilot. That way, you can focus on what actually matters. But before we get into the good stuff, hit that subscribe button. Here we're all about unlocking life-changing strategies to save you time, cut the stress, and put you ahead of 99% of people. If that's the kind of energy you want in your life, stick around. Trust me, this video will change the way you think about time forever. The most successful people today don't waste time on the small stuff. They automate everything that doesn't require their direct attention. Elon Musk isn't managing his calendar by hand, and Jeff Bezos isn't manually paying his utility bills. Their systems handle it, freeing them to focus on the decisions that matter. Take Sarah, for example. She runs a fast-growing business but struggled with the constant demands of emails, finances, and daily errands. After automating key parts of her life, from inbox management to recurring payments and grocery deliveries, she reclaimed 10 hours a week. That adds up to 40 hours a month, the equivalent of an entire work week. Automation isn't a luxury, it's a necessity in today's world. It's not about being lazy, it's about working smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the first step. Task management automation. Forgetting important tasks or feeling buried under an endless to-do list is more common than you think. The reality is, your brain isn't designed to remember everything. That's where automation tools come in, acting as your second brain to handle the details for you. Apps like Todoist allow you to create recurring tasks that automatically remind you of deadlines, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Google Calendar takes it a step further by letting you block out time for meetings, workouts, or focus sessions, and it notifies you exactly when to switch gears. If you're managing larger projects, tools like Trello or Asana automate workflows, moving tasks through different stages without your constant input. With these systems in place, you can wake up to a day that's already planned out, eliminating those nagging, "What am I forgetting?" moments. It's like having a personal assistant organizing your life. Only this one works 24/7, and best of all, it doesn't cost a dime. Automating your finances. Money stress doesn't have to control your life. Late fees, missed bills, and forgotten savings can all be avoided with automation. The right systems can handle your finances, freeing you from constantly managing every detail. Start by automating bill payments. Direct payments through your bank ensure deadlines are met, avoiding late fees. Apps like Mint or YNAB track and categorize your spending automatically, providing a clear view of your finances and alerting you to overspending. For passive saving, tools like Acorns or Wealthfront invest spare change from daily purchases, growing your wealth effortlessly. Mark automated 10% of his paycheck into investments, and a year later, he had $5,000 saved without even noticing. Financial freedom isn't about strict discipline, it's about setting up systems that quietly build your future. Home automation. Home automation makes daily tasks effortless, saving time and simplifying life. Your coffee brews as you wake up, lights adjust automatically, and your thermostat fine-tunes itself without you lifting a finger. This isn't some futuristic dream, it's the reality of smart home technology. Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant let you control lights, appliances, and reminders with simple voice commands. Pair them with smart plugs and bulbs to schedule lights or devices, while the Nest thermostat learns your routine and adjusts to save energy and money. More than just convenient, home automation can save hours each year. When your environment runs smoothly, it frees you to focus on what matters most. If this sounds like your kind of upgrade, check out our video, How to Get Ahead of 99% of People. It's packed with productivity tips that perfectly align with automating your life. Let's keep going. The next automation hacks? Total game changers. Automating communication. Less time on emails, more on living. Email is one of the biggest drains on productivity, with the average person spending over 3 hours a day just checking, sorting, and replying to messages. That adds up to 21 hours a week, almost a full day lost to managing inbox clutter. The truth is, most of those emails don't require your full attention, they just need the right system in place. By automating your inbox, you can cut email time in half and focus on the tasks that actually move the needle. Start by using Gmail filters and labels to automatically sort incoming messages. Important emails from clients or your boss will land directly in your main inbox, while newsletters, ads, and promotions are quietly archived or pushed into separate folders. For those particularly busy weeks, set up auto-responses through Gmail or Outlook. A simple, "I'll get back to you soon," keeps communication flowing without requiring constant input. Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams take it further by allowing you to create keyword triggers that notify you of urgent messages only, while non-essential notifications are muted with "Do Not Disturb" modes. Here's a quick challenge: automate your inbox this week. By the time Friday rolls around, you'll be wondering why you didn't do it sooner. Health and fitness automation. Staying healthy on autopilot. Staying healthy is a priority for most of us, but let's face it, life often gets in the way. Between work, family responsibilities, and endless errands, fitness and nutrition tend to fall to the bottom of the list. The good news? You can automate your health and let technology handle the reminders to move, eat well, and stay hydrated, even during the busiest days. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Fitbit track your meals, calories, steps, and workouts without requiring much effort. Fitbit even nudges you to stand if you've been sitting too long. For nutrition, meal delivery services like HelloFresh or Blue Apron automate weekly meal planning and grocery delivery, ensuring you skip the takeout and stick to healthy options. Meanwhile, Apple Watch and Google Fit remind you to drink water, monitor your heart rate, and prompt you to breathe or meditate. With just a few taps, your fitness routine practically runs itself. These small automations make a huge difference. Something as simple as standing once an hour can boost your energy, improve posture, and enhance focus. The best part? You set it once and forget it. Your body will thank you later. Information overload. Automate how you consume content. We live in an era where information flows endlessly: news, podcasts, social media, it's non-stop. By the end of the day, most of us have consumed far more content than our brains can handle. The result? Overwhelm and burnout. The solution isn't to disconnect entirely, it's to automate the way you consume information. Tools like Feedly act as an RSS aggregator, pulling news and blogs from your favorite sites into a single feed. Instead of jumping between websites, everything you care about is delivered to one place. For those articles you stumble across but never have time to read, apps like Pocket or Instapaper let you save content for later and sync it across your devices. This keeps your to-read list organized and accessible. If you want to go a step further, Zapier automates content delivery from your favorite blogs or YouTube channels, sending articles, videos, or podcasts directly to your inbox or Slack. The key is to curate content that fuels growth and learning, not distractions. With the right automations in place, you filter out the noise and stay ahead of the curve without wasting precious time. Workflow automation, the ultimate productivity hack. Why waste time on repetitive tasks when apps can handle them for you? Workflow automation is one of the most effective productivity hacks, streamlining operations by connecting different apps to automate tedious tasks. This eliminates the need for manual work in areas like data entry, email follow-ups, and customer management. Zapier leads the way by connecting over 5,000 apps to handle workflows seamlessly. For example, if you get a new lead, Zapier can trigger a welcome email, update your CRM, and schedule a follow-up, all automatically. For smaller tasks, IFTTT, if this then that, syncs calendars, saves social media posts, or even controls smart home devices, like having a digital assistant running in the background. Jeff, a business owner, automated his customer service workflow with Zapier. Within weeks, his response time dropped by 50%, not because he hired more staff, but because automation did the heavy lifting. The result? Happier customers and more time to grow his business. Time blocking and digital automation. Ever feel like the day disappears before you've accomplished much? You plan to be productive, but somehow time slips away. The solution is time blocking, a simple yet powerful way to take control of your schedule by assigning specific blocks for tasks, meetings, and breaks. This method keeps your day organized and ensures the important work gets done. Automation makes time blocking even easier. Google Calendar lets you create recurring blocks for focus work and meetings, with alerts to remind you to switch tasks. Sunsama and Notion auto-schedule daily to-dos, while Rescue Time tracks your online activity and gently nudges you back if you drift off course. Time blocking isn't just about productivity, it makes your day feel more structured and manageable. By visualizing your time, you avoid overwhelm and stay consistently on track. So, where do you start? Easy, pick 3 areas to automate right now. Tasks, finances, and emails are great starting points. Automation compounds over time. Start small, and suddenly you'll have hours back every week. It's like building passive income, but for your time. Here's the challenge: automate one part of your life today. Whether it's setting up Gmail filters or scheduling workouts, start small but start now. And if you got value from this, hit that like button and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, what's the first thing you'll automate? See you in the next one. Stay limitless.